Hi guys, welcome to my tutorials. Today I'm talking about we're gonna do a tutorial on cryptocurrency arbitraging. So basically what's happening here is that you're comparing two different exchanges to see which one has the lowest price of Bitcoin. For example, you can have one exchange with 30,000, the other exchange with 38,000. So you're gonna buy from the 30,000 and sell on the 38,000 and then make a profit of 8,000. Okay. Yeah, this is just a rough example. So we're gonna create. I'm gonna do a tutorial on how you can create a basic arbitraging algorithm. So let's go. So we're gonna start by importing the cctx package. If you don't have it, then you go to your Python console and say pip install cctx. Cctx is actually a package that is used when you want to create algorithms that buy and sell, or that gives you signals on dealing with cryptocurrencies. It has access to so many exchanges and all that stuff. So you can go and do more research on cctx. And the second thing, we're going to import package. We're going to use it later. And then we're going to create a method here that I call print step. So print separator. So this function is going to be separating our answers when we're going to use it when we're going to print our answers later. So basically this is our print separator. Okay, there, we are done with the function. Okay, so now we are now dealing with cctx. So we're going to be using the Bitrex exchange. So here we're gonna create initially a variable that is going to collect data from Bitrex exchange. So this is more like if you understand object-oriented programming, this is basically an object that we are creating, but obviously objects are better variables that contain much better data. So it's ccxt dot Bitrex. Okay, we were done with the object, and then we create the Kraken object. Okay, so we're gonna say cctx dot Kraken from Kraken exchange. Okay, so here we're done. And then so we want to load the markets, which means we're loading the data, the market data that we're going to be using. So it's going to be Bitrex. Then we're going to create Bitrex markets here, because we're downloading we want to have the market data. Okay, so load markets. Okay, and then Kraken as well. Kraken markets equals to Kraken dot load markets. Here we are, done. So now what we are basically wanting to do is that we want to capture the last price, which means the price when the algorithm is actually running, which means when we run our algorithm, we want to capture the last price, the last ticker, or the last tick of the price, which means if we check right now and we see that Bitcoin is on 35,000, when we load, we want to see that last price on that last second. So we're going to start with Kraken. So we're going to create another variable called Kraken price. Okay, then Kraken dot fetch ticker for BTC. Okay, so it's BTC USD. Okay, then so obviously the last price when it comes to markets, the last price is always called the close. Okay, and let's print Kraken price and see what we will get, what the price is currently right now as we speak. Oh my god, I just ran the wrong script. CCTX not found, so I need to install CCTX. Okay, no problem. Pip install CCX. Oh, the mistake I made here, it's CCXT. Yeah, CCXT. Oh, CCTX. The whole thing is CCXT. Wow. Or some of the mistakes developers make. Then you struggle trying to understand what went wrong in my program. Still, it needs CCXT. Okay, let's see if we're gonna download that one. Let's see if that's gonna download. It's my internet that's slow. Oh man. Yeah. Quite downloading. I hope it doesn't give us any problem. I hope it doesn't give us any problem at all. Almost done. Come on, it's almost done. Okay, so let's run and see what we got here. Okay, so Bitcoin is on 33,911. So this is the exact price that we need. So now we have done that. Where are you? We need to need the Bitrex price. Bitrex underscore price. which is Bitrex dot fetch ticker, and we're fetching the ticker for BTC /USD. Okay, and then we want the close. All right, and there we are. So now what we are going to do lastly is that we have to compare the two prices. So if Kraken price, okay, is less than Bitrex price, okay, then cross exchange arbitrage. We're not creating our arbitrage variable, which means it's Bitrex price, okay, minus the Kraken price divided by 100. All right, Bitrex price minus divided by 100. So basically we're gonna say buy, so we're gonna create another variable to say buy, and then we say buy Kraken. Actually it's buy on Kraken and sell on Bitrex. Okay, and then we have to calculate the gain, okay, which is probably just like your profit. So it's Bitrex price minus Kraken price. Okay, that being said, let's go to the else. Cross exchange arbitrage, then we say cross exchange arbitrage, okay, is equals to Kraken price minus Bitrex price, okay, divided by 100. So buy, which is I'm gonna copy and paste this. Come on, Python, copy. I'm gonna paste it here. Okay, So we pretty much have to exchange this. So this one is more like this is buy on Bitrex, okay, and sell on Kraken. Okay, so the gain as usual is equals to Kraken price minus Bitrex price. So now we're going to print and say cross exchange opportunity, okay, and buy, and then you say your gain is, and we put in the gain. All right, so our gain would actually need the math flow dot flow, okay, yep, so that we can get a proper rounded off answer, okay, and then we are basically gonna say Bitrex price is Kraken price is, yep, okay, so at save time I'm gonna copy and paste these two and paste this so here we're gonna say print, okay, and so this is basically gonna say print cross exchange opportunity. It gives you whether you're buying on Kraken or selling on Kraken, or buying on Bitrex or selling in Bitrex, and then print Bitrex price is Kraken. And so we are going to run our program and see how it goes. There's an error somewhere. Print price Kraken. There's an error somewhere. And 90 line 27 Bitrex print Bitrex price is Kraken price, Kraken price is, alright, let's we wanted to show the prices on the different exchanges. So the Bitrex price is actually supposed to be Bitrex price, okay. So Kraken price, here I put a Bitrex with double T, this one is one T, okay, but anyway corrected. So let's run it and see what we get as an answer. Alright, interesting. So basically there's a cross exchange opportunity. You buy on Kraken and sell on Bitrex, you gain 0 because basically this one is actually 0.001, so your arbitrage is 0%. There's actually no gain, because the reason why it's saying your gain is 0 is because we have rounded off with the maths flow function. So let's see if there's another opportunity. Yeah, now Bitrex price is 33,424. This one is 411. You gain 30. So your gain is actually $13. If you do the cross exchange now, you can gain $13. Okay, your gain is $17, 17%. Wow, this is actually a gain in your this is actually an arbitrage gain, a serious one, if you follow through. So thank you so much for following through my tutorials. Like and subscribe my videos. I'll be bringing more videos, more practicals. Actually, I focus on practicals on Python. Thank you very much. And yeah, thank you very much.